how to use Polybuzz AI. Now, Polybuzz AI is actually a free, private, and unlimited AI chat platform with actually over 20 million unique characters. So they are actually offering personalized conversations and immersive role-playing experiences. So what you want to do first is just go directly to your Google Play Store if you're using an Android device and head over directly to your search box and simply type in Polybuzz. So Polybuzz is actually known as formerly poly.ai. So just simply download it, and if you already downloaded it, make sure that you're running the latest version by updating the application. So access the app, and you do not have to log in unless you would like to take advantage or use their premium features. So this is going to be your Explore dashboard or your homepage. So below you should be able to see options like your homepage, your chat box, your recent communications, your logged in field, your recent interactions, and then your account page. Now on your homepage, this is where you can check out on a specific or a different kinds of roles that you can go ahead and interact with. The next page is your recent chat box from these AI platforms right here. So for you to integrate or coordinate with one of the interactions in here, you just have to simply choose on any of them. Now, for you to be able to reply, you just have to just simply choose or just do whatever you want. So say for example, let's just type in and how are you? They will just be replying on what you will be sending out to them. So the first box is going to be on italic font is actually um, their interactions and what they are doing while doing the reply to your message. So that's pretty much it. This is kind of like your general AI chat platform. You just need to download it and take advantage with it. So that's how you use Polybuzz AI.